Hi everyone, let's talk about how to use Kayak Hotel Deals Map View feature. So let me tell you guys, Kayak's Map View feature allows you to visually hunt for hotel deals based on their location and proximity to specific attractions, nightlife, or dining. So to use this feature, you have to launch the map view first. Just head to your Kayak app, then tap on the Explore icon at the bottom of your screen. Then tap on the search bar at the top right corner of your screen and then enter your destination, your travel dates, and the number of guests. Now, once the search results load, just tap on the map view at the bottom of your screen, which is highlighted with the black box. Just tap on it. Now you'll get to see a map view on your screen. Now, once the search results load, now you can see the map view on your screen. Now you have to understand the icons and pricing first. The price bubbles displays the clickable circles showing the exact prices of hotels in a specific location. Now, any standard filters you apply on the left side of your screen, such as star ratings or free cancellation, will automatically update the hotels visible on the map. You can also use the heat map layers, which is the most powerful tool in map view, is the built-in heat map. In the map toolbar, look for the popular areas or layers tab, then select your top interest, eating, sightseeing, shopping, or nightlife. The map will overlay a color-coded heat imprint. The darker red areas indicate the highest density of your chosen activity. You can use this to either book to hotel directly in the action or zoom out to find a cheaper deal located just outside the hot zone. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.